With the REV Basic, you can run up to 4 different chemicals. Chemical pumps are displayed on the left-hand side. To set up a chemical pump, you simply click in onto the icon. In order for the icon to show up, you'll need to connect the M12 connector and the power cord to the pump. Within the pump detail, you can name your chemical, enter whatever flow rate you're going to be running at, and the system has an automatic calibrate function. So when I hit calibrate flow rate, it'll start the pump to make sure it's primed. So before we hit that, we got to make sure we have a way to capture the chemical. You're going to want to use a graduated cylinder so you can read the ounces that the system pumped. So it's starting the pump, it's just confirming it has flow. It'll just run for a few seconds. Once that's stopped, we know that it's primed. We know that it's up to the beaker, depending on where your beaker's plumbed into your system. From here, you're going to want to reset your totals. So this is the total coming from the flow meter. I'm going to reset that. So I got everything 0. Currently, my corrections factor is 1. My measure result 0. I'm going to hit this, run for 1 minute, and we want to capture the chemical as it's getting pumped. As you can see, the flow rate coming from the flow meter is displayed here. And then our total from the flow meter is also displayed as it's pumping. Depending on the viscosity of the chemical, this calibrate feature is very important to make sure your pump's flowing the correct amount. If a chemical is switched, the calibrate feature should be redone. The system displays a timer, so you know where you're at as far as time as it runs when it's doing the calibrate feature. At the 1 minute mark, the system will automatically stop the pump. So at this point we captured, let's say we captured 50 ounces. The system will automatically calculate the correction factor based on what you put there and how it matches that. So if we had only pumped 48, we would get a different correction factor. From here, if you like the correction factor of 1, you simply confirm it and it automatically enters that. You could recalibrate it if you would like. And then you can go back to the home screen simply by hitting the home button.